What's up, Easy Goers? It's your boy EC again, back to you with another vlog. And today it is cooking time! So for the second episode of The Art of Cooking, I'm gonna show you guys how I like and how I cook my LECHON KAWALI. As you guys have known, the cooking process of LECHON KAWALI, it takes a while. But today I'm gonna show you an easy way of doing it. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. It's time now to cook the LECHON KAWALI. First, we need actually the pork belly. Ano ba LECHON KAWALI kung walang pork belly? So basically, you would want a pork belly this kind of size. The thickness of the fat is actually mas malaki siya kaysa sa meat. Para ito yung tatawag natin yung when you bite onto the LECHON KAWALI, yung sticky, yung masarap. So we're gonna render that fat and make it very, very succulent. We need that pork belly, and then first of all we're gonna boil the pork belly. So the ingredients for boiling the pork belly, we're gonna add some vinegar, bay leaf, garlic, some chilies, and black peppercorns. So first step we're gonna do is actually to boil the pork belly. Now we're gonna boil the pork. So we're gonna add in our pot now pork belly. We add some bay leaf. Now we're gonna add some black peppercorns. Add some garlic. Some vinegar. And some chilies. So yes guys, we're gonna boil now our pork belly. One technique I'm gonna share to you. You have to boil your water already, so that when you add to your pork belly, it will boil straight away. And that will lessen the time of your cooking. I forgot to add earlier, we have to add salt, so to add flavor to it. So 1 tablespoon will be fine. We're gonna boil this pork for around 20 to 30 minutes. While the pork belly is boiling, we're gonna do our partner for our LECHON KAWALI. Walang iba kundi ang sausawan. Ano pang masarap na sausawan? Kundi ang soba. So we're gonna make my version, how I like the sausawan. What you need is actually vinegar, sugar, lots of onion, lots of chilies, some calamansi, and a tiny bit of spring onion. We're gonna add now the vinegar, half a cup maybe. So we're gonna add one whole onion. So top and tail it, get rid of the skin, and then we slice it. Cut it in half. Cutting the whole onion now, so make sure you don't cry. Sabi daw nila, when you cry, kapag naghiwa ka ng onion, hindi mo makasundo ang mother-in-law mo. So, I don't believe that because single. You've chopped the whole lot, add na natin sa ating vinegar. Masarap yan pag maraming onion. So, you're gonna add now sugar to balance things out. So you want the sour and the sweetness to blend all together. Now we're gonna add some chilies. I got some red and some green chilies just to be colorful, diba? And if you want to be really spicy, you can add some labuyo. I have 2 chilies only. I think that will be enough. Red chilies and green chilies. So we add now our chilies. We're gonna add 2 calamansi. So why add calamansi when it's their vinegar already? Mas masarap yung... Basta mas masarap pag may calamansi. Try nyo na lang. So let's add calamansi. Oh, for our sausawan as well, we're gonna add some spring onions. Now that is our sausawan. Pork belly is now cooked, and I have to put it straight to the fridge already. And it will be good to leave it in the fridge for overnight or the whole day. But today we're gonna do it only for at least 1 hour. So what it does, so it will dry up the skin, and we're gonna add some salt later on before we fry. Yun ang technique para marutong na marutong ang balat. Hindi marupok malutong ang balat. So yes, we have to wait another hour for the skin to dry off in the fridge. So sabi nga na good things are actually worth waiting for. Kung siya nga, nahintay mo, lechong kawali pa kaya.
Kahit matapos ang magpakailan pa man, ako'y maghihintay.
Later, sabi nga diba, good things are worth waiting for. So this is now our pork belly. So see, medyo rested na yung fat niya and it's ready to be fried. But before I fry it, I actually cut it to strips. Meron kapitan yung oil para the more makapitan yung oil, mas marami siyang lutong na balat. After that, I'm gonna put some salt on the skin para lang crispy kapag pinirito natin. So this is actually optional. So kung iba dyan masyadong marami ng salt na lagyan natin doon. So for health conscious, baboy ito. So wala ito siya skin. Skin lang ha. So para itong yung nightly routine nyo. So yeah, so you scrub your pores like that. So I just rub the salt, ready to fry it. So right now we're gonna fry our lechong kawali. So I preheated the fryer to 170. My techniques actually I do
triple fry.
Some do it, some does
double
fry only, but for me, triple fry. So first is actually fry it in 170 degrees for 3 minutes and then rest it. Let's fry it. And then we'll just cover. If you guys don't have any fryer at home, you can use any stove top fryer, and you can put it on medium heat and fry it for 3 to 5 minutes. Ito yung itsura ng ating first fry. So, hindi pa siya mukhang malutong pero na-prito na siya na maayos. So, leave it there to rest. Parang steak lang yun. Meron siyang pinagdaanan. So, hindi natin pagpahinga. So, tapos na natin siya i-first fry. So, it's time na for the second fry. This one, I'm gonna put up the heat of the fryer to 190 para mas intense na yung lutong niya. Skin side down as well pa rin. Yeah. Malutong. Fry natin yan. 3 minutes, bukang lechong kawali na siya. Medyo malutong-lutong na. So, ito yung tatawag ng second fry. So, ngayon, i-rest ulit natin siya. Yan. Pwede, kainin na nga ito ngayon. Pero, we want that skin to be super crispy. Malutong, hindi marupok. Alright. So, pahingayin muna natin siya para magkaroon ng hangin. As you can see, diba? Para lechong kawali na siya, pero ito yung tatawag ko third fry. So, ano yung third fry? So, what I'll do, ang piprito ko lang is half of it. Half lang. Yung taba, saka yung balat. Para extra crispy pa siya. Para yung laman natin, hindi siya dry na dry. Kasi minsan, yung lechong kawali, diba? Minsan dry na yung laman. So, pangit ang lasa, diba? Pangit ang texture. Ito, we make sure na yung laman is actually very juicy pa rin. And then, yung taba, saka yung balat, napakalutong. So, this is the process. Same 100 high heat, 190 degrees ang ating fryer. Sige natin isa. Huwag na painit kahit hindi kaya. Alright, so what we'll do, ito lang guys. Come close. Look at it. So, yeah. Hahawakan lang natin siya. Piprito natin siya ganyan. You can see guys, di ba? Wala na masyadong bubbles yung prito natin, di ba? It means parang cook through na talaga siya. Kasi pag the more the bubbles, makita nyo, may bubbles.
Ooh la la!
So, see, this is our finished product. See, look at that. Nice. Oh, yum. That is so good, so good, so good. So, I'll give a close-up look. So, yes, bago po natin hiwain ating lechong kawali na napakalutong, narinig naman kanina, napaka-crispy. So, we're gonna arrange the plates. Kahit ako merong paintbrush. So information for you guys, I was 8 until I was about 13 years old. I was doing paintings. I was doing watercolor and oil painting. The canvas was actually my canvas, so you know, I do paintings and stuff like that. But now my plate is now my canvas. So shout out to my friend. He's a very famous artist in the Philippines. His name is Kuya Selvig. So guys, please subscribe to him. He does free tutorials of paintings and lots of art stuff. He's a very good artist. So i-shout out ko lang yung sinabi na once you're an artist, it doesn't matter if you're a watercolor artist or you're a pen and ink or acrylic or charcoal artist. You are an artist. So that's why I believe until now I'm still an artist. And he has this phrase na keep your art beating. So ako naman, pero naman ako is follow your art. So plate now. Nalimutan na naman ng asin. Ano yung nilagay ko sa plato? It's actually balsamic reduction. Good with pork. It goes well with pork. It has the acidity and tanginess to it. And a bit of touch of sweet. Siyempre maganda sa plato. And I want to... Gusto ko na mag-paint ulit. Now, we're gonna cut now the pork. See? Gano'n ka-juicy ang ating lechon kawali. See, look at this. How juicy it is. Mamma mia! And the skin is so crispy and crunchy. Can I eat this na? Later, add like a rocket and spinach para meron ng height sa ating plating. And syempre, para healthy na rin ito. It doesn't matter how you plate it. Sometimes you have to be artistic as well. Kasi we always eat with our eyes first. Ginawa natin kanina, yung onion, yung chilies, basta yung vinegar na kasama natin. So, actually, onion para siyang pickled na. So, it's actually a good side. Diba, ang lechon kawali is very rich, very fatty, very crispy. Parang, sarap, diba? We need something to pat. So, just put it on the side. And now, to finish it off, we're just gonna put some spring onions on top. So, there you have it, guys. So, this is my version of lechon kawali by Chef EC. I have lechon kawali with pickled onions and sausawan natin napakalupit na napakasarap. Guys, can't wait to taste it. Titikman na ating niluto. So, let's see the fruit of our labor. So, I'm gonna taste it now with some pickled onions. Let's taste it. Nice. Ang sarap! Ano ng bite? It's giveaway time! I'm gonna pick now our winners. We're gonna have 4 winners today. 3 winners of $30 and a winner of $50. First winner of $30. Bubunot na tayo. Alright. So let's pick. So ang bunot po natin ay... what's this? Chester Yao, you're our first winner of $30. Congratulations to you. So we'll pick another winner of $30. Oops, hindi naman labas talaga eh. Alright, let's pick a winner. Alright, next winner is Monessa Baluyot. Congratulations, Monessa. Alright, third winner of $30. Oops, sabi sila gusto sumali. Wait, okay. Who's this? Anjayamini Tarindika. So, congratulations to you, Ann. Since you Chester Yao, Monessa Baluyot, and Anjayamini Tarandika for winning of $30 each. So now, drum rolls please. $50 Rovin Panopio? Ano? Kate Rovin Panopio for winning our $50. So yes, congratulations again to our 4 winners. So my Facebook page, Take It Easy, will message you on how to claim your prizes. So once again, congratulations to Kate Rovin Panopio for winning of $50 and $30 each for Chester Young, Monessa Baluyot, and Ann Jayamini Tarandika. Give it a like and share it and comment on the comment section down below. Hashtag keep your art beating and hashtag follow your art. Thank you guys. So this is gonna be road to 1K already, and there's gonna be heaps and more of prizes. So make sure you subscribe and share this with your friends, and God bless you all, and don't forget to take it easy.